So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a picture frame around an image here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up and you have your image just like this, simply just go ahead and press on the image right here. Then where it says border, I want you to go down to where it says no border and go to where it says picture frame right here. So once picture frame is selected, you sort of have that style. You can actually go ahead and sort of change it a little bit differently as well. So if you want this sort of picture frame, you can select that. If you want this one, you can kind of select that. Whatever you want to do, you can change the scale of it just like that. But yeah, pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. That is how to add a picture frame to an image, or I guess around an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.